Hi guys, welcome to Jamaican Girl TV. Like, comment, share and subscribe. And tonight, look what we got, guys. Soup. And you know what kind of soup? Cow foot, chicken feet, pigtail and tripe, all mixed into one. Okay guys, and we are dishing it out. Here we are. Look at it. Come over here with the camera. Look, cow foot. We have pigtail. And we have chicken feet. Whoa, look at the tripe. Whoa, that's a good one. That's the tripe right here. I haven't had tripe in a long time. And chicken feet. Great, great. Look at it. It's nice. And we have pigtail. All mixed together. That's 4 different meat. All mixed together in one. Wow. Jamaican Girl TV. We have carrot, pumpkin, yam, and dumpling. All the good stuff in our soup. Wow, there goes the pumpkin, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Let me get the cup over here to share the soup. It's soup, guys. Soup, soup, soup. Look at it. There you go. Nice, nice, nice soup over here. Look at the tripe. Look at it. Tripe. Pigtail. And chicken feet. And cow foot. Nice. Great, great. Jamaican Girl TV. Welcome, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay. Thank you.